Alright, so you clicked on a fireplace remodel video. I'm going to go over how I remodeled my fireplace, what materials I used, how much they costed, and hopefully you can get inspired and you can do it yourself. At the end of the video, I'll show some images of how I did it from beginning to end and what it looked like before and after. Fireplace with the remote. You can change different colors on your fireplace if you're going to go electric. This is just giving you ideas about this fireplace. I put up brick over here. It was only about a ½ inch thick. I think that was about $900 from Home Depot. Installing the fireplace was pretty easy because it was only 4 inches in depth. It's made by Modern Flames. 50-inch slimline is the name of it. So if you're looking for that, some of them are a little bit wider and deeper, about $1,500 for that. I'm saying prices because people are gonna say, how much was that in the question? So there you go, your question is answered. Put the brick on right here. I put a 3/4 inch OSB to bump it out. I had to bump it out because the existing shelving that was here, in this section over here, had that 1/4 inch bump out right here. So I had to copy that. That helped me on the remodel, did it a lot quicker. I got not hidden compartments, just extra storage. I did install the LED lights. So they were tapped into these 3 lights that I put in up here, and then they went down this way. These are outdoor LED lights. If you look for that on eBay or Amazon, you can find those for about, I don't know, $40 or something. They're really cheap. And they go 2 over here, and I fed the wire through the wall, 2 over there, and I fed it, and I kept on jumping the wire all the way through down to the bottom shelf. But these extra storage compartments, I just put, oh, this was on Amazon too, to hide the wire. There's a little thin wire, you can see it going like that. Decide on your lighting, see which one that you want. I used warm white, and then they got cool white. That's that brighter white, almost looks like a surgery room, but it doesn't look bad. I'm not putting it down or anything like that. So the hidden compartments or storage compartments over here, I got these ones on 2 chains right here, and this one goes down. I custom made a piece of metal here for a handle, cut it out aluminum. It was actually just an L, and then I drilled holes in the metal and then screwed it in, and that's how you open this from up here. This one just drops, it's got the 2 chains on it. So, and then this one over here, I have to move all these out. Over here opens up with a magnet. So there's a hidden magnet up here. There you go, click it on, pulls up. It's got 2 pumps on it right here. One little pump here, one pump here. They call them struts. If you're looking at those, you could buy those on Amazon too. I'm just giving product details for everybody who wants to try to build their own and be influenced on this. So hidden compartment right here with the DVDs out of the way. Shut that right here. Showed you guys this one. This one over here opens up like a car hood, I guess. So this one's a lot stronger strut because it's 1, and I used the same one up here. It was a 2-pack for like, I don't know, $20 or something. Screwed this in right here, the pump, and so we got it going up. So let me try to back this up so you can see. Pretty cool. So, and then this one over here, I can't even reach. So this one, that's way up there. Oh, you're asking how does it lock? You're probably gonna ask me that. Hidden earth magnets right here, one on the left, one on the right. Notch it out, put the 2 earth magnets so they are connecting to the other magnets on the top. I also did, I used JB Weld. I tried Gorilla Glue at first, and then that didn't work because they came out, and then I tried JB Weld and that worked. So a piece of aluminum trim on the bottom here because I couldn't make the gap come out right. So I kept a 1/4 inch. Let me try to zoom in here. See that with aluminum trim? That looks nice on the bottom. On the back wall over here, I just used wallpaper, but it was expensive. It was like $120 for a roll. So it's got that herringbone look. Nobody's gonna go up and touch it, so it's from a distance, it gives it a cool look. Mantle, I used the Mantle. I got this, it's a old railroad tie from Menards for $20. Sanded it all down. And then stained it with a dark walnut. So that's how that goes. And then on the back here, you got the TV mounted. I did add some HDMI cords somewhere right there, 2 HDMI cords. I ran the wires through the wall down here and 2 HDMI cords. That way if I want to put any electronics, they would go right here. I think that's about it. So that's the whole setup. I did take the tile all the way from the floor to the ceiling. The old one looked like it was like shorter, so I had to cut the wall out. This is what the old fireplace looked like. It wasn't that bad. It was just, you know, we got bored of it. So I was messing around on my phone, drew it out, then I drew it on paper, and then I wrote down what sizes I needed, measurements, whatnot. You just have to have everything accurate. So make sure you use a level and have the correct tools for this. Drills, hammers, table saws, chop saws, jackhammers, excavators, helicopters. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is you're gonna need too many freaking tools. Just call somebody, have them do it, and you sit back and watch it be done. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.